Eversheds Sutherland is a global law firm that provides mainly business-to-business advice, ranging from large real estate transactions, corporate transactions, mergers and acquisitions, corporate advice. Our coverage is truly global. We are now present in the US and all the way through Central Europe, the Middle East and Asia into China. Any client that we're working for has digital pressures, has cost pressures, has people pressures. Therefore, they're looking for us as their lawyers to be much more efficient, much more agile, and provide them with better information. With the increasing pace of technology-driven change, we are working increasingly with Computacenter to help us understand the art of the possible so that we can make digital work. Going digital for us means a number of things. For our lawyers, it means making their life easier. It means saving them time each day. It means reducing the amount of manual work and also trying to bring the information that they're working on daily in front of the clients. Now, if you get that right, then lawyers will be more inclined to come and work for us. Our infrastructure platform is fundamental to our success, and the more requirements we get from our clients, the more agile and the more scalable they need our services to be, then we need to make sure that core infrastructure is working at the right level and can grow with the firm as well. CIOs now don't really want to have to manage data centers themselves. They don't want to manage infrastructure themselves. They'd much rather be looking at business applications and trying to solve problems that our business has and our clients have as well. When we looked at the future and how we were going to move to a much more resilient infrastructure, we had a whole range of options. Computacenter worked very closely with us on shaping something that was probably more bespoke than I realised was needed. The private cloud we're moving to will effectively replace what we have at the moment, about 600 or 700 servers. We're going to be putting virtually everything that we run for our end users and our clients into that private cloud. The important thing for me is it's a service that's hosted fully on Computacenter's infrastructure, which means that I don't have to worry about any complex arrangements to keep the lights on. I can focus my attention and my team's attention on delighting our clients and making sure that our lawyers get a much better quality of technology service on which to base their legal advice. We have a really strong focus on how we save an hour a day for each of our lawyers and their support teams as well. The private cloud is a really strong part of that because it's a central system that we know and trust that will always provide the right level of access into our core services. Our plans to go digital will need a bigger and better infrastructure. Now, the private cloud gives us that scalability, it gives us a certainty of delivery. Working as an IT professional in a law firm, you need to move quickly. Clients will not wait for their lawyer or their technologists. They'll want stuff straight away. As part of our ongoing development, we are looking at how we can provide a digital workplace. So in the office, at client premises, out and about or at home. At its heart really is making sure that we can provide the right technology with the right level of support. When people are on the move, when they're working in the middle of a meeting and they need some help, they don't necessarily just want to ring up a number and get support. I certainly see the next generation service desk as providing something that the user can choose how they get support rather than me as the IT director defining how we support them. We're working with Computacenter to get to that next generation of service desk so that we do give people much more choice about how they get support. Eversheds Sutherland has been working with Computacenter for over 10 years now. As Computacenter's business has changed, then we developed that relationship on the back of their new capability. One thing Computacenter does very well is it listens. So whether it's a private cloud or a digital workplace, or how we move to the next generation service desk, the level of help we get from the experts in Computacenter has made sure that the service we get is much more tailored to our needs. Computacenter has a wealth of experience with other clients that have great examples of innovation, and I want to tap into that. I'm actively encouraging Computacenter not only to speak to our lawyers and our partners, but also to our clients as well. We're seeing Computacenter's team recommending how we can make the lawyer much more efficient and provide better information. Technology isn't about replacing lawyers with artificial intelligence or robots or machine learning. It's about augmenting what a lawyer does. And I think lawyers with technology become a much stronger force for the good with our clients.